G'day, I'm Rebecca from CQ Sewing and Patchwork in Rockhampton, Australia. We're up to free block frenzy number 6. This month we're using our black, white, and we have 2 other colours. All our strips are 6.5 inches and we're using the lazy angle ruler bought out by Creative Grid Rulers. Okay, let's get started. So here are our 4 colours for this month. A dark and a light green, and again we're using the black and white. So out of the dark green we're going to cut piece A. So we line up the 6.5 inch line on the edge and trim the shape. Turn the ruler around and continue on down your strip, cutting 4 pieces of piece A. To cut our light green fabric. We're cutting this from the wrong side of the fabric, so make sure you turn it to the wrong side. We're going to cut shape B now, which is a small triangle on the end of our lazy angle ruler. We flip it over and then cut 4 pieces of piece B. So now we're cutting the black. Again, we cut from the wrong side. And again, we're cutting 4 pieces of piece B, which is a small triangle on the end of the ruler. With the good side facing up of the white, we're now cutting 4 pieces of piece B, again from the white fabric. Once all our pieces are cut, it's time to start joining them together. So we're going to start with our large dark green A piece, so we're going to put a white B triangle sewing right sides together and a scant 1/4 inch seam. Once we've done all 4, we're turning them to the wrong side and using our lazy angle ruler, position it and line up the 6.5 inch line on the edge of your block and trim the excess. So do all 4 the same. Make sure you cut straight. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our black A piece triangles. And once they're all sewn on, we're turning it to the wrong side again, lining up the 6.5 line on the edge of your block and trimming off the excess. So once you've done all 4, we're now going to go ahead and add the light green triangles, again using a scant 1/4 inch seam. Position all 4 blocks out, and then we're going to sew the 2 halves together. Sew them in pairs, and then sew the 2 halves together, matching up that seam in the middle. And there it is, Free Block Frenzy number 6 complete. So here's a few of the blocks that we've gone through and made over the months. Stay tuned for Free Block Frenzy number 7, which will be out this Saturday.